This is the slow bowl. The slow bowl slows down the snack eating. Fuji, why don't we let Suji have these ones? She's trying, okay? She's trying to get a few. And you had some earlier. Let's share with Suji. We have these two. I have to monitor the snack sharing sometimes. Actually, I'm gonna refill their auto feeder as well. Oh, Suji Mama. You can rewind. She had such a cute little spot by the window. Then she moved. Suji, do you want to be on the sofa, baby? Make room for her. Maybe she'll want to be on the sofa. Hi, Steven. Okay. Alright, watch my kitty cats for a bit. Watch Suji Mama for a bit, okay? Watch Fuji Mama for a bit. Suji has a great spot right now. Steven! Yes, I got your email. I read your story a little bit, and I'm definitely gonna do a reading from the email during one of my lives really soon. So thank you. It's exciting. I got it just now, your email.